Hey our friends, in this video we're gonna draw a battery.
Yeah, we hope you're gonna follow along. It's gonna be awesome. Batteries are fun to draw.
Yeah.
We're gonna make it funny with a funny face. We hope you're gonna follow along with us. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
I really do like drawing batteries because they're a big, giant shape. And what shape are we drawing?
A cylinder.
Yeah, cylinder. So this is a fun lesson to practice drawing cylinders. And we're gonna draw a small cylinder first for the top of our battery, or the positive side. And I'm gonna start in the middle of the paper, but towards the top so that we have room to draw the main part of the battery. And we're gonna start by drawing a really squished oval, like super squished, almost flat. Oh. Yeah, I like it. That's all right. It's okay that our two drawings are different. So yours is gonna look like we're looking down on the battery more, and mine's tipped like we're looking at the side.
Yeah.
So let's just keep going. It's okay that we're drawing them different. We're gonna draw two sides, straight down, and then this next curve we want to match this one. So you kind of drew this flat, but that's okay. You could draw it a little bit more curved. I'm trying to match mine, which is really flat. Yeah, okay, now this next part we're gonna draw a lot different, which I think is cool because our friends might be drawing it different too. So let me draw mine first. We're gonna draw another oval that matches this one. So because I drew it really flat, my oval is gonna be really flat too. So I'm gonna draw it like this. We're gonna come around, and we're only drawing part of it because it's going behind the other side. So mine's squished. Yours maybe start above, and you're not going to use any overlapping. You're going to come out like this and then come maybe down to here.
Okay.
So yours, because that first one wasn't squished as much, your second one would match and not look as squished either. And our art friends are probably doing it different, so that's awesome. I love it. Okay, now we're going to draw the sides of our battery coming down really far. This is a giant battery. I don't know if this is a double A or it's probably a D, actually. So we got these two sides coming down. Yes, and then this curve that we're going to connect will match this curve too. So we're going to come down and then back up to match this curve. And mine's a little different, but that's okay. All right, also, now on the top of our battery, sometimes they have wrappers, but the metal part's showing through. So we're gonna draw another oval that matches the outside. And yours could start, yeah, maybe at the top there and then come down. And you wanna try to stay maybe the same distance. Yes, you did it. And keep going all the way to the other side. I think next time I draw a battery, I'm actually gonna do it like yours. It's awesome. Now let's add a few other details. Let's draw a little curve right here that matches the top. And let's also draw a curve down here to match the bottom, but also the top. All right, this side is positive or negative?
Negative.
No,
Positive.
Positive.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's add a positive symbol right here and a negative one down here. Now, it might actually be the other way, but that's okay. Yes, and we could also make that a little thicker so it stands out more. I'm gonna go back over it. And what's our battery missing?
Funny face.
Yeah, funny face. I'm gonna draw a big one because batteries are full of energy, so mine's really excited. I'm gonna draw a mouth really far open. And our art friends, you guys could draw different funny faces. I'm gonna add teeth on the top and the bottom, and then a tongue sticking way out. Yeah, and then we could also draw, oh, I like your mouth. And then we could draw more details. I'm gonna color this in. And then let's add the eyes too. I'm gonna add crazy eyes. I'm gonna add small circles. Usually we draw them big. But I'm gonna add a highlight so it looks shiny. But then I'm also going to draw the outside of the eyes so my battery looks like it's going crazy, cross-eyed. We did it, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Awesome, we did it. We finished drawing and coloring our batteries, and they turned out awesome.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yes, that was a lot of fun.
Yeah, and I think they look better colored in, so I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings.
Yeah.
You can match our coloring.
Or you could color it differently.
Yeah, this is a fun lesson to practice drawing cylinders, but also a fun lesson for science.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a battery.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.